Welcome. If you love discovering new ideas on Pinterest and want to stay updated with pins that match your interests, enabling in-app notifications for pins inspired by your activity is a must. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to make sure you never miss out on inspiration tailored just for you. First, grab your phone and open the Pinterest app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the personalized features Pinterest has to offer. Next, head over to your profile. You can do this by tapping on your profile picture, which you'll find at the top of the screen. This takes you right to your personal space, where you can manage your settings and see all your saved pins. Once you're on your profile, look for your profile picture at the very top and tap on it again. This will open up your account menu, giving you access to more options. Now, it's time to find the notifications settings. Tap on the option labeled Notification. Here, you'll see all the different ways Pinterest keeps you in the loop, from updates about your pins to suggestions based on your activity. Scroll down until you find the section called Pin Picks. Under this section, you'll see an option for pins inspired by your recent activity. This is where Pinterest curates pins that match your interests and browsing habits. To make sure you get notified right inside the app, simply toggle on the In-App option. When this is enabled, Pinterest will send you notifications about new pins that are inspired by what you've been searching, saving, and engaging with. That's it. By following these steps, you'll start receiving in-app notifications for pins inspired by your activity. This is a great way to keep your feed fresh and discover even more content that matches your unique style and interests. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check your notifications for your next big idea on Pinterest.